Okay, a quick disclaimer before we start this video. Let me just tell you straight, if you're one of those people who are so politically sensitive when we mention your political leader, this is not the video to watch. Please, I'm asking you guys nicely because this is Okala Gule video. I'm going to mention the economic freedom fighter leader, Julius Silo Malema, quite harshly. I'm going to mention Jacob Zuma of the Mkhonto we Sizwe political party quite harshly. And I want you guys to listen to my opinion about what is going on. Cyril Ramaphosa put together an embarrassment of a team that was not ready for the ambush that Donald Trump and his team brought together. They were not ready at all. I was so embarrassed listening to Cyril Ramaphosa sitting there, unable to articulate his views clearly, allowing Donald Trump to speak over him, being too much respectful when he was supposed to be assertive in some topics, allowing this man to say farmers are beheaded in South Africa and they are killed brutally. Allowing him to finish that sentence shows me just how weak of a president that we have. Yes, some people might say at least it did not go as bad, as worse as we might have thought. But look at the team that he put together. And now John Steenhuisen, what exactly were they doing there? Because he did not even help Cyril Ramaphosa. Oh my goodness. In this video, let's talk. It's a morning. I slept watching all of these videos online. What an embarrassment, South Africans. What an embarrassment. Oh my goodness. Something must be done. MK, something must be done. EFF, something must be done.